One of my long-term stock, which has been a multi-bagger in my portfolio for many years, plummeted over 20% in 1 week. My instinct was saying screaming sell. New rumors in the market that there was some raid done in that particular company because they were some doing something wrong on their taxes. Now question was, in this moment, what you would do it. I want to know that in comment box below. What I did. First of all, I don't want to react to it because I want to see what's happening. So I said, okay, close the app. I'm going for a walk. I'm not going to look into it and see what happens. Because sometimes the fundamentals, when you are 100% clear, there could be an overreaction in the market. And that overreaction, you don't want to be part of it because that could be brutal for your journey. Not an example of particular stock, it's a framework which I want to give. Just didn't do nothing for that particular week, let the stock cool down because I couldn't see anything wrong in the fundamental of the company. Let me show you in the chart that one line which I was tracking, which I do that for a monthly chart, has saved me there. Now I'll share the company name later, but this each candle is a monthly candle. And you can see this was the line which was drawn before, the key trend line which I was tracking. And you see what do after the crash. And this is like 39% drop. And this was a big drop in that particular period. And see what happened. Soon after that, it started reacting around this trend line, which is what I was observing. And after that, boom, digested all of that sellers and moved up 98%. You would have sold it, they would have been chances that you would have missed the bus and stock would have. There are three key takeaways for you in this framework, which I explained you. By the way, the company name I'll talk through at the end. So, first, number one, you need to understand whether it's a long term stock and you understand the fundamentals of the company and don't just overreact to it. First, that is important. Clear distinction between long term and short term stocks so you can react differently in both the cases. Number two, you have to have a line of control and say what exactly I'm going to be doing if stock goes against my direction which I'm looking at. In my case, I've already had a strategy. I was looking at it and based on that I took the action and I'm reaping the benefit of it. Otherwise, I also had an exit plan in mind because I want to do completely emotionless execution of the trades. And number three, be calm. Don't overreact to the news. So the stock name is Poly. If you found the value on this video, give a thumbs up, like wherever you're watching, and share with your friends and family and save this video because this is a framework which you will not find in any books. It's based on experience.